structural damage. All right, look at that run down the United Traders. You betcha. Look at that heel go. Look at that start on. Look at that 31,000. Look at that on the day like brand new. Look at that 31 pound motor. Hit one. Look at that on the day. Look at that on. Look at that.
Another beautiful cold Arkansas morning today. The auction, they're actually lining up. They're going to do a live auction today where they're actually driving the cars through. So that'll be different. Not a lot to look at today. I need some cheap, cheap tax time cars, I guess you'd call it. We'll see if we find anything. They're going to call. It does. Got some miles on it, but I've got it started and drove it. Got the tour seat. The sunroof was either leaking a little bit or I found it not closed all the way, so hopefully that's all it is. Needs a set of tires, but I actually have a set of tires for it. And they spray painted it. But if somebody needs a good, 4-door truck, this would be cheap. Could use a set of headlights, or you might be able to clean them up. We could try. All right, let's get it washed up. Here we go with this. I got my little Singer hand sewing kit. Got the little hook noodle here. And I got my gray thread. I'm gonna button this up. It's not gonna be beautiful, but the seat's not in terrible shape. We're just gonna button that up, and hopefully it won't tear up. Tear up a little slower. It'll look a little better than just hanging wide open. Now, I know what you're thinking. Boy, that looks pretty good. I probably paid somebody a couple $100 to do that, huh? No, but it's tough. It looks a lot better in that open hole, and it'll last the seat a little bit longer before something has to actually be done. So this old Dodge is clean on the inside. Now we gotta work on this outside. Well, I say it's clean. Still got some little stains on the seat, but I do have the seats working now. I need lots and lots of WD-40. But it's PB Blaster, but same thing. So I might hit the seats with a vacuum again, and we'll let them dry and see what they look like. Heat some parts with a vacuum again. The wet vac, that is. And let's mess with the paint. We'll mess with spots like this. And then we'll buff out the whole paint and see if we can't get some kind of shine on here. Alright, well, we got the paint cleaned up. I think that's about all I'm going to get out of it. It's still not perfect. Then we put on this really fast racing stripe. Well, a pinstripe anyway. And now we've got to do some headlights. Gonna put some different ones in here. And also we are going to do oxygen sensors. There's 4 of them on this. So let's get to it. Alright, well, after kind of squeeze my fat butt in under here, I can't get past this step bar too good, so I've got to fit it between the tire. I've got this O2 sensor replaced. I've got another one up here I've got to replace, and then I got to go to the other side and do the other 2. But anyway, we'll get these knocked out. Alright, now to the other side. I am glad it's kind of cold outside and there's nothing in there, because there is no way I'm getting out from under here fast. Man. Alright, well, we'll get this unscrewed, unclipped. I'm probably going to go ahead and knock that down. I'm going to get stung. I'd rather do it quick instead of just sitting here while I'm working. That would suck. And then I've got that sensor up there. We'll go ahead and do the same thing too, and all 4 will be replaced. Well, she's ready. Got the paint cleaned up a little bit. Like I said, didn't do great. Got the pinstripe on, new headlights in, got the seat stitched up, interior cleaned up pretty nice. So she's ready to go.